Hey guys, I am so excited to share this with you. This 4-in-1 T-ball set was kindly gifted to me by the brand, and my son has been having such a blast with it. When I first took it out of the box, everything was neatly organized and in perfect condition, and it even includes a nice mesh storage bag to keep all of the baseballs together so nothing gets lost. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and it only took a few minutes to set it up before we were ready to play. The set comes with 6 baseballs, and I love that they're soft enough for safe indoor or outdoor play. They also stick right to the Velcro piece that goes on the stand, so they're easy to grab when you need another one. You can raise or lower the tee to different heights by unlocking it and twisting it up or down, so this set can really grow with your child. The gloves have adjustable straps too, so whether your child is just learning the basics or already playing on a team, it's a good fit at any skill level. What makes this set so versatile is that it's not just a T-ball stand. You also get a hanging tee, an automatic ball launcher, and a toss and catch game. My son especially loved the toss and catch because the balls stick easily to the paddle, which is such a confidence booster for kids who are still learning hand-eye coordination. The hanging tee was our favorite as he had the best success at hitting the ball that way. The automatic launcher is a little above his skill right now, but I love that it's something that we can work towards. This T-ball set is such a fun way for kids to practice batting, improve coordination, and burn off some energy. It's perfect for building confidence while still keeping things safe, and it's already creating some really fun family memories for us. I love watching him get excited to play and cheering him on when he hits the ball. It would make a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or even just a fun surprise for an afternoon outside. If you've been looking for a safe, versatile, and engaging T-ball set that really grows with your child and keeps them active, this one is definitely a winner. We've been having so much fun with it, and I highly recommend checking it out.